If you want to insert a signature line in Word document like this on your Word document, that can be moved anywhere inside the Word document, then follow these steps. First, go to the Insert tab and then click on Text box and draw a text box. Now type what you want inside the text box, and after typing you need to click on the first line, press enter, go back to the first line, press and hold the shift key on your keyboard and then type underscore multiple times and then press enter, bring the text up and then resize the text box. However, note that you will have this outer border, and to remove this outer border of the text box, you need to click on the text box border, go to the format shape. Under the line, here you will see the option of no line. After selecting this option, outer text box line will be removed. Now you can simply click on the text box and move it anywhere inside the Word document if you are typing later or any other corporate document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved to your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.